Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting the service temporarily unavailable error, this is usually on Binance's side, not yours. First of all, check if your Binance is under maintenance or high traffic. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Binance US app and swipe it away. Then reopen it. After that, head over to your app store and then search for Binance US buy Bitcoin and ETH and make sure you are updated. If not, make sure to update your app to the latest version so it fixes all the bugs and gives you the newest files. Then switch networks, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues and try again after waiting for a few minutes. If it still continues, wait. It usually resolves automatically. Wait for minutes or hours and do not panic, it usually resolves automatically. Temporary service errors rarely require account action, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.